Invited comments to the proposed amendments to Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969. One major proposal is to prepare a national database of registered births and deaths. This is intended to be used to update for every birth and death. The database is created in accordance with many other laws such as the National Population Register, Voter List and Aadhaar Card. Under the RRD Act, it is the responsibility of the states to register births and deaths. State governments have set up facilities for registering births and deaths and keeping.
Under 19 skipper Yazdul said the self-belief of the players helped the team stay unbeaten through the tournament and clinch the title. Despite the struggle, we stayed strong and the boys remained confident. We achieved what we did because we were strong and believed in ourselves, Dul said. The match was set up by medium pacers Raj Bajwa and Ravi Kumar. Before the former made a useful 35 runs, Raj Bajwa has important role in all-rounder. He takes the batter by surprise with his bouncers. He is very strong mentally and knows that what to do in clinch situations.
With the specific objective of winning as Asian Games gold this year, I feel it is imperative to take part in the many events as possible. Though the pandemic threat looms large, said the archer, who has won a silver and a bronze in a women's team's events in the ascent.
Men make more extreme decisions, says study. According to a new study, men make more extreme choices and decisions in comparison to women. This is the main finding of the research involving more than 50,000 participants in 97 samples. The question of whether men and women make systematically different choices and decisions is one of the most fundamental questions in psychology research. We found men were more likely than women to be.
Have seen a surge in demand for heritage rice in Tamil Nadu ahead of Pongal. A look at the decades-long movement behind this revival and the farmers' research and entrepreneurs who have brought about change at the grassroots. At the organic farmers market Chennai, we sold 100 tons of 91 different varieties of heritage rice in the last 2 years, says Anandu, founder Radhika August of the city-based Heritage Essence.
Antibodies conducted by the King George Medical University has found out that the desirable herd immunity, which can break the chain of virus, can only be achieved by mass vaccination and not through natural course of transmission of infection. In a two-part study, antibody test was done on 989 KZMU healthcare workers and about 500 plasma donors. It was found
Visiting instances in the last weekly jumped by about 55% through the number of demanded about the World Health Organization said in the last pandemic report. In the weekly report is sure that Tuesday high the UN Health arrangement said here.
India's adds 1.62 lakhs COVID-19 cases. The number of COVID-19 cases continued the rise on Sunday with 1,62,926 new infections, taking the total number of active patients in India to over 6.3 lakhs. The step rise in the past week was primarily due to the case surge in urban centers such as Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore and Chennai. Between January 4 and 8, Mumbai recorded
had the list of escapes in recent times when a Cameroon green ball hit his stumps, but he survived as the bells did not come off, promoting legends Shane Warner and Sachin Tendulkar to discuss introduction of a possible new law. The incident happened on the third day of the fourth Ashes test on Friday, when
Europe. More than 50% Europeans are at risk of getting infected in the next 2 months. More than half of people in Europe are on track on contract the Omicron coronavirus variant in the next 2 months. Infections continues and current rates. The World Health Organization said on Tuesday, speaking at a press conference. Reorganization Director Hong Kong warned that the Omicron variants represented new west to east tidal wave sweeping across the European regions.
To join Indian Foreign Service. 3 years later, Anna Joy was the first woman to join Indian Administrative Service. Both women had a signed undertaking that they would quit if they choose not to marry, but no such conditions were imposed on male service. Years later, when Muthama was posted over for a promotion as an ambassador, she challenged the
Assam got its 7th national park to within a week with a notification declaring Dihing Patkai as so on Wednesday. Not sure next wave will harm kids. New Delhi, there is no evidence to suggest that the next wave of COVID-19 will cause serious infection in children. AIMS Director Dr. Randeep Gulriya said, underlining that 60 to 70% of kids who were hospitalized had comorbidities, while most others had mild diseases and recovered at home. I don't think we will have a serious infection in children in future. Dr. Gulriya said, he said,
Democratic Front has urged the Kerala government to convene a special session at the Assembly to discuss the Silver Line project after the leadership convened her the Wednesday. UDF MM Hassab said to opposition would set up permanent opposition and through which the opposite semi-high-speed railway transferred the hubs would emerge to
increase power. The relationship between the governor and chief minister has even at the best time of not been absolutely simple and tension-free. It has something to do with the whole idea of the office and the governor and its past history. In the colonial area, the governor was the absolute ruler to provide who was answerable ultimately His Majesty and the King. A closer look at debates the constituency assembly, the governor would be revealed. There were Drugend gives with the power to the governor. In fact, there were a number of assemblies who wanted to the governor as the powerful as colonial area.
Keep a watch on the active COVID-19 caseload, with the country currently witnessing a hospitalization rate of 5 to 10%. Also on Monday, India started administering third precaution dose of COVID-19 vaccine to healthcare and frontline workers and people over the age of 60 with comorbid.
To anyone. Virat Kohli declaring himself fit for the decider said he does see
himself with the same lens than the outsider world looks at him. Kohli said he asked himself the toughest questions, followed a rigorous process and led with passion, aggression and intensity so that it rubbed off all teammates. You have to be hungry for success, he said. Kohli, searching for runs, said, "This is not the first time that I am going through such phase. It happened to me that," Kohli said.
From where the incident took place on the National Highway 5, the central team remained close to the senior civil and the police officers who were directly responsible for ensuring the smooth passage of Prime Minister's convoy and its foolproof security. The centre has advised the committee to submit its report at the earliest. Details said official. It is learned that a so-called notice has been issued by the MHA to Kapala senior officials.
While launching the Bharatiya Janata Party campaign in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on Wednesday accused the Congress of being against national interest and part of the conspiracy of India's security left the endangered Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Addressing the press, Mr. Dhami said the recent incident in Punjab, during which Mr. Modi convoy was stuck in a flyover 20 minutes and had to turn back as protesters had.
Tamil Nadu girls scored their second Mr. Winner by crossing Haryana 94-31 in the National Basketball Championship her on the Wednesday, but champion Kerala suffered a second straight loss by after going down 50-62. The Rajasthan which registered its second winner. 30 seconds. Karnataka was went down against a hot favorite Rajasthan 80-90. Defending champion Punjab bounced back with a 73-51 winner over Maharashtra, while Delhi recorded its.
Mayank Agarwal was on Saturday named for the ICC Player of the Match Award for December following his exceptional performance in the Test series against New Zealand and South Africa. Beside Mayank, New Zealand spinner Raja Patel and Australia pacer Mitchell Starc were also shortlisted for award with regular opener Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill and KL Rahul. All missing games of some
project installation hit by the surge in the cost per components, labor silence. Lloyd Angel, Shanghai, Beijing, global solar power developers are slowing down project installation because of the surge in the cost per components, labor, parents, as the world economy bounced back from the coronavirus pandemic. According to industry executive and analyst interviewer, the situation suggests slower growth for the zero emission solar energy industry at the time world governments are trying to ramp up their effort to fight climate change and the marked reversal for the sector after decade.
Industry leaders in Telangana to invest in Kerala. Speaking at investment roadshow in Hyderabad, Mr. Vijayan showcased Kerala's strength to attract investors. The centre had ranked Kerala fifth in good governance. Kerala ranked first among the southern states in ease of doing business. Mr. Vijayan said the accent was on non-polluting and non-environmental friendly industries. The government industrial development strategy was firmly anchored to the principle of
The nation of the more billion lost its most popular by Lata Mangeshkar. Translate the United States have Saturday more than just earned over the year Bharat Ratna mission adjective, an emotion that got deep ignorant in the Indian conscience that her voice become her benchmark of experience and POC usually.
Crime branch has seized for deferred scheme in the past 10 days and 25 since 2020. In the seizures made by the STF alone indicated multiple big network of wildlife law offenders may be operating in the state forest. If the state forest and environment department seizures are taken into account, the number of reported killed and the average number.
Reported a single day spike of 1,41,986 new COVID-19 cases, in the highest in the around 222 days. Active COVID-19 cases have increased to 4,72,169, the highest in the around 187 days, according to data updated by the Union Health Minister. On Saturday mornings, the daily positivity rate was recorded at 9.28%. The country also saw its
Pradesh How Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has been extended oven about the many development that has taken place under his leadership. Slept a village without basic no school on public health care, no roads, and Sunit has
Transport, highways and shipping. Nitin Gadkari on Wednesday said COVID-19 has thrown up new challenges and we should be ready for the third wave, as we have already lost many lives due to lack of medical oxygen during the second wave of the pandemic. He also assured UP of all possible help in meeting the storage of medical.
It is the second largest economy by 2030, when its GDP is also projected to surpass that in Germany and the UK to rank as the world number 3. Marketing said in the report on Friday. Currently, India is the sixth largest economy behind the USA, China, Japan, Germany, and the UK. India in nominal GDP is forecast to rise from 2.7 trillion in 2021 to 8.4 trillion by 2030.
Seventh, India needs to address that divide between status. Will India is a young country. The status and pace of population vary among states. Southern states which are development to already have a per contract of holder people. This development is in states.
The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved allocation of 5 MHz spectrum in the 7,000 MHz band to Indian Railways for improving its communication and signaling system. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said. He said it will have improved safety passenger on the transport network. With this spectrum, Indian Railways has invested to provide LTE-based mobile train radio communication on its route. The estimated investment in the project is more than Rs 25,000 crore. The project will be completed in the next 5 years. The National Transporter said in
1.83 lakh case. The number of COVID-19 cases in Mumbai declined for the 40th consecutive day, with the city recording 11,647 infection on Tuesday. The positivity rate, which indicated the number of positive cases per 100 test content, also reached a 7-day low of 18.7%. The infected date from the city recorded more than 1.75 lakh cases in the past 40 days, indicated of positively relief 32 of the case currently.
जैसे पूनम मैम ने रीड किया वैसे रीड करने की कोशिश कीजिए। आप बहुत तेजी से बोल रहे हो।
China to test 30 million people in Zhengzhou cases drop. The city has been placed under a partial lockdown after 11 cases were detected. The city of Zhengzhou ordered its nearly 30 million residents to get COVID-19 test on Wednesday, after a handful of cases were descended as China high to stamp out virus clusters ahead of the Beijing Winter Olympics. Everyone in